what do you intend to accomplish with your recent rebranding as Integra RE? I mean, as compared to how you were previously positioned.
Yeah. So as you could see, our tagline is trusted energy, and then we really believe that it's the right direction for us. Pagka we talk about energy now, medyo maraming, how do you say, there's a lot of doubts in terms of supply, in terms of the ecosystem. What we wanted to build is a ecosystem in terms of renewable energy na mas madaling i-implement. That's why for us, trust is a keyword. When we rebrand Integra, we wanted to be, our vision is to be the trusted energy supplier for the Southeast Asia market. And trusted is a keyword because in the Philippines, let's be honest, medyo madaming in terms of execution, there's a lot of gray areas, loopholes in the process. And minsan that creates mistrust along the process. Diba? So that's why our name Integra is built on integrity because we operate under that mode. We operate above the law, and we wanted to create an ecosystem that helps not just the end user, pero especially yung mga businesses who wanted to move into renewables, into solar installation, as an example, because we think it creates positive economic impact.